Could humans survive on Mars today? The short answer is no, not without highly engineered habitats and continuous life support systems. Mars presents an incredibly harsh environment for human life, far more challenging than what's often depicted in science fiction. First, let's talk about the atmosphere. Mars's atmosphere is almost 100 times less dense than Earth's and is composed primarily of carbon dioxide. This means you couldn't take a single breath without a spacesuit. The lack of pressure alone would be instantly fatal. Even if you had oxygen, the atmospheric pressure is so low that your bodily fluids would boil. Then there's the temperature. The average temperature on Mars is around -81 degrees Fahrenheit, with fluctuations between -70 and 0 degrees Celsius. That's far colder than anything humans can endure unprotected. Radiation is another major concern. Mars lacks a global magnetic field and has a very thin atmosphere, leaving its surface exposed to high levels of cosmic rays and solar particles. This radiation exposure poses significant health risks, including an increased risk of cancer and long-term cognitive impairment. Astronauts on a round trip to Mars could experience a minimum of 0.66 sieverts of radiation. And let's not forget the terrain itself. Mars is a dead, arid, and rocky planet with no liquid water on its surface. The soil also contains toxic perchlorate salts, meaning any water extracted would need extensive filtration. The gravity is only about 38% of Earth's, which would lead to significant muscle and bone density loss over time, along with cardiovascular problems. So, what would it take? We'd need self-sufficient habitats with breathable air, livable temperatures, and robust radiation shielding. We'd need to generate oxygen, perhaps by extracting it from the carbon dioxide atmosphere, and find ways to produce food and recycle water. Technologies like 3D printing could use Martian materials to construct these habitats. While the idea of colonizing Mars is a powerful one, and scientists are actively working towards making it a reality in the distant future, it's clear that surviving on Mars today is not feasible without significant technological advancements and infrastructure that simply don't exist yet.